A famous quote says, the key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. Hi, everyone. This is CSCS Chintan Devalia.
Hello everyone, this is CA Aagam Dalal, faculty cum mentors of JKSC classes. The question arises why we are here today. Then the answer is we are here today to show a proper roadmap to the May'20 students who are now going to appear in November 20 examination.
I repeat, May 20 appearing in November 20. And within short time, we'll also come out with a classic roadmap for exclusive students who are going to appear for the first time. In fact, a fresh students who are going to appear for the first time in November 20.
Now there is a strong recommendation to all the viewers who are watching this video. Kindly see the video up to the end. Here we are going to come out, means we being JKSC classes are going to come out with so many surprises for those May'20 students, just to make one thing very sure, that you people are come out with the results that fills you proud, your family proud, without wasting a single day of your career.
And we also request to share this video with every student who requires this. You never know, he or she might require this at any point of time. So rather than being selfish to yourself, share with everybody pan India.
Now, May'20 students, you are having so many thoughts which is coming into the mind. Just after ICI has cancelled the July 20 examination, many of you are feeling like we are almost done with 2 to 3 times revision. We are done with JKSC classes notes, we are done with ICI module, we are done with each and every content which was available with us. But still ICI cancelled the exam. Unfortunately, it was in the benefit of all of us and that was required. But now, what to do? That is the biggest question. Many of students has asked to so many faculties who are in your contact that, sir, now what should be our schedule? Now what should we do? Now which materials to pick up for the examination? Don't you think, sir, that this particular question is arising in almost each and every student's mind who is
100%.
appearing?
100%. Agam, tell me one thing. You have secured rank at inter level and final level. If the people does not know, Agam has secured AIR 33 at intermediate and AIR 2 at CA final level. So Agam, my question is, if God's sake, if you are stuck up in this situation, which has happened in this pandemic, what could have been your strategy as a student?
Sir, I will just say one thing. To believe that I am done with each and everything in the CA curriculum is one of the biggest myth that you may be having. So rather to think that I am done with everything, why not to start afresh? So sir, if I would have been in this situation, what I will think is, ICA has cancelled the examination in the very first week of July itself. So now there is enough break taken. Now there is no need to take more break. Let us start the journey towards November 20 right from now itself. Let's say today 21st July is there and I will start my journey. I will start my preparation as if I don't know anything. I will take one subject, at a stretch and I will complete the same within 6 to 7 days. Then I will write a test paper. Then I will start my second revision, wherein I will give 2 to 3 days towards the, second revision. Once that is done, again I'll write a test paper so that, there is not a firing in the air and I can know that what is my weakness, what are my strength, and I can make it, stronger than it was earlier. So that will be my strategy, that I will not believe, as I told you earlier, that I know everything. Right from now, I will start towards November 20, and that everybody compulsorily has to do. But sir, one of the doubt is there, which is, from the students. This kind of doubt is generally not expected from each and every student of each and every attempt. But this May'20 being a very special attempt in the history of ICI, the doubt is, they are almost done with each and every examination paper, past exam paper, revision test paper, mock test paper, JKSC test paper. Now they are wondering that from which paper they will get new questions, from which materials they will have more confidence, because they are done with everything. So sir, can you please give the guidance to our students for this particular question?
For sure. Agam, if you remember the most historical announcement made by ICI this year, that was something never expected about a postponement of May 20 exam. Like most historical I have ever came across as far as my career is concerned. And immediately after that announcement, if you remember, respected JK Shah sir has taken a webinar specifically addressing all May 20 students now who are going to appear for November 20. And in that seminar, sir definitely promised that this year we are going to come out only for this batch a all India complimentary test series for all the students, JKSC and non-JKSC. And yes, this is the time we are going to launch all India complimentary test series for all students JKSC and non-JKSC pan India. Now, student, you need to capitalize this given opportunity. And yes, this test series will be applicable for 1 CA Foundation, 2 CA Intermediate, and 3 CA Final, all India level. So understand, Agam, this is something very unique. Next point is this test series will be an absolutely structured one. Reason being, it will be something taken care by the expert faculties of that particular subject. All test papers will be set by the subject expert. That means if I'm talking about 100-mark accounting paper, out of that accounting standard will be taken care by a person who has been teaching accounting standards only from years, and accounting remaining part will be taken care by other faculty. Same case with DT, IDT, same case with financial management and economics and so on. So understand, this is something very different. Now coming back to it, this question papers, the second unique feature is that it will be a new question bank. So student, whatever you have learned, now this will be challenging for you people. You need to perform, and the moment you start appearing this exam, you will come to know how integracies are solved in this paper, how much different question papers are solved, like everything you're going to learn out of it. Now this is something very unique again for a CA student, reason a new question bank. Now coming back to it, whatever you ask, that whatever material they have solved, I would say forget that. Okay, fair enough, you justify that, but again, come do this new paper, solve it, all guns out, appear for it, and learn out of it. Obviously, the level will be a little different from a routine one. This will be a classic learning procedure, and this is a big surprise you can expect from JKC this time. Student note, please. One, this test series, again I repeat, this is for both JKSC and non-JKSC student. Number two, this is going to be absolutely complimentary. That means it's a free of cost. You're not supposed to pay any charges for same. So this is something which I need to address the answer like this. And one more thing is, students, you understand, this test series being a very special and unique in its way, there will be two parts. One, which is taken care by Aagam sir, that is phase one, preparing the paper from the faculties, getting it done, getting it 100% foolproof. You will be getting everything as far as syllabus is concerned in that paper, and you can say uploading on the site and getting up to you all the papers and everything. That is Aagam sir will take care of it, and I will take care of a second part, that is the post examination, like getting your evaluation done. Evaluation does not mean your hard copy done. And second part, I will take care of it, which is the post follow up part. We will be in touch with the student for the same, and that is the second surprise which we are going to launch it today itself. But yes, a second part whereby a student one-to-one communication is concerned, that I will take care of it, that is CA Chintan Devalia. We as a team are going to work. Not only we, but the whole JKSC classes is standing back of you. So anywhere you are stuck up, the whole JKSC team is there for you. So the point is, we are launching a all India National Test Series campaign.
So can I say it is one of the biggest surprise for May'20
This
students?
is the first surprise. Many more surprises to come, but the first surprise that all India National Test Series prelim schedule will be launched for each and every city, each and every student who are going to appear for CA Foundation, Inter and Final, with respect to May'20 student who are going to appear for November 20. And with due respect, we are going to launch November 20 campaign also in short time. But this is specifically for May'20 to November 20.
Let me make a very sure thing to all of you. Let me assure you that the paper will not be easy. It will be definitely above average. That is a disclaimer to all of you. The challenging questions will be there, the tough questions will be there. However, remember always one thing: before going to ICI examination, whatever exams you give, marks are always byproduct. Whatever questions you are facing, believe me, it is new for each and every student who will give that exams. Same like ICI exams. And that's why you should never demotivate. You should never feel deconfident in that particular exams. Believe me, it will be a time that you will be feeling that we don't know anything, but it's not the case. We are launching this exclusive test paper just to make sure one thing, that you know each and every corner of ICI module, you know each and every corner of this CA course and the curriculum which is given to you for reading. One more thing, that whatever exams will conduct, you have to properly follow the schedule. Sir, can you please share the schedule? I mean, how it will work up to the November 20 exam?
The first thing which I would love to share is follow the schedule which we have drafted rigorously. No lekin, kintu, parantu, but. No excuses. Follow it rigidly. Be focused. And if possible, follow the schedule as per the ICI pattern. Like Agam?
Yes, definitely you have to follow the same as per ICI pattern. Let me tell you that whatever schedule will give to you, the dates will be just shown to you on the screen and later on it will be circulated to all of you. We will put the paper on that particular day just in the morning, just before 2 o'clock. You have to give the examination at your home from 2 to 5. The papers will be uploaded on JKSC website. I'll just show you how it will appear like. 2 to 5 is the time at which you will write the paper at your home. The suggested answers of that paper will be uploaded on the same day, late night or in the evening, and that you have to see at a length. Students, please note, as I told you, the suggested answers will be uploaded on our website on the same day. We have taken care of one more thing in that. We have incorporated step-wise marking, that is, which adjustment will be of how many marks and so on, so that you have to self-evaluate the same, but it will be very easy for you because we are giving you step-wise marking. But then one more question arises, that sir, what if we have some doubts in that suggested solutions? To whom to ask? So sir, can you please give the answer to this question also?
100%. Lots and lots many of surprises are there today. A second surprise for all India student is after appearing an exam, say maybe on Sunday you have written exam, maybe as per the schedule which you have drafted, on Monday or Tuesday, you will be having a zoomed out solving pan India specifically by the faculty who have set the paper. Matlab, after every exam, you will be having a person who will be guiding you the solution on the very next day or second day, depending upon the schedule. He or she will be guiding you the papers, question papers, integrities, doubt solving, everything, and specifically, again, I repeat, by the person who has set the paper. So now that is something very unique for the students. For this zoomed out solving student, you need to consider three aspects. One, you need to report on time. I repeat, on time. Means if the time is 12 to 1, then you need to be on the screen at exact 12 o'clock. Maybe probably 5 minutes before will do, but don't delay it. One. Number two, after 10 minutes of zoomed out solving starting, the window will be closed. That means then after you will not have any entry in that zoomed out solving. You miss the train. And number three, first 30 minutes students, understand, a respective expert faculty who have set the paper will be discussing the whole paper with you. That means he or she will be discussing all the intricacies of that paper, what should be your proper strategy, what should you have attempted, what you should have ignored it in that part, which question should have been taken first, and so on. So that will be common for everybody for the first 30 minutes, and thereafter, after 30 minutes, the forum will be open for open doubt solving. So 3 points please keep in mind while attending the Zoom meeting. And that is for all India student, not specific to a specific city. All India student will be on the same platform, whereby you're getting a doubt solving 100%.
Okay. Now let me show you that that schedule that we have drafted for you for foundation, inter, and for final.
I am really looking forward to see this.
So guys, this is the schedule for CA foundation examination. Let me just brief you out because this will be circulated to all of you later on. Now here we have drafted 3 test prelims for all of you. That is, 1 test prelim starting from accounting till the last subject, in which the gap will be of 7 days approximately, 7 or 8 days approximately. Then you will be having a complete gap of 5 days. In that 5 days, you will be thinking that where you have lagged behind, that concept you will make strong, and then you will start preparation for the next examination. But the second test series we have intentionally drafted in a gap of 4 days. So the complete 4 days, you prepare for the exam, you appear for the same. Then again we have the third test prelim, but in between of the second and third prelims, again we have a 5 days of gap. The dates and day of examination are mentioned in the very first column. Second one is related to the subjects, but if you notice, what we have done is, if in the second one business laws and business correspondence and reporting, that exam will be one only. But why we have written two things separately? Because the Zoom doubt solving will be by two faculties separately. So one who is an expert of law will take the Zoom meeting of that particular paper, that is of 60 marks, and the faculty who is expert in BCR will take Zoom meeting of particularly BCR paper, that is of 40 marks. Now, on which dates doubt solving will be there, that we have mentioned in the third column, the date of doubt solving, and what will be the exact timings of that doubt solving session, that also we have mentioned in the fourth column. If you see below the table, we have mentioned the Zoom ID, doubt solving ID and password both. So that was for foundation examination. Now with regards to intermediate examination, sir, can you please?
We are starting the intermediate examination on 2nd of August. So from today, if you start planning properly, I think Delhi dur nahi hai. 2nd August is there on the cards. Forget November 20. Every student should be of the level that my exam of ICI is starting from 2nd of August. And if you start that way, a short-term planning will lead to a long-term success. So your ICI exam are commencing from 2nd August. Think that way. Enough time to prepare for accounts and accounting standard. And thereafter, for a gap of 6 days, we have launched another exam. So if you check the schedule, the first prelim schedule will be ending on 13th of September with the subject Financial Management and Economics for Finance. And thereafter, again, from 17th, with a gap of 4 days, we are launching a second schedule, which will be covering up to the date of 15th of October. So if you start focusing, I think no student have any arguments that we are not able to cope up with this. A first schedule again with a 6 days gap, second schedule with a 4 days gap. And if you check out, after every exam, there is a Zoom doubt solving date given to you. Again, as Aagam said, where there are multiple subjects, we'll be having a special faculty expert to address your doubt on Zoom. For example, if you say accounts, so on 2nd August the exam is there, 4th August the account doubt solving will be taken care. 1 to 2, it will be taken care of accounting, and thereafter 3 to 4 accounting standards. So that is the way we can approach taxation and all other subject till the end of 15th of October, whereby doubt solving is taken care, Zoom ID and password is again provided to you at the end. So this is with respect to intermediate. Now for final.
Now, same is the case with CA final also. There are two prelims that we have drafted. The first will started with 2nd of August, just like this ICA examination. We have all elective papers also in that, which is getting on end on 20th of September. And in between the two examinations, there will be again a gap of 6 to 7 days, as you can see in the schedule. The second exam will start on 23rd of September, which will be ending on 14th of October. So again, we'll have a gap of 15 days from this ending to your final ICI examination. Here also we have Zoom doubt solving session. The dates are mentioned in the third column and the timings are mentioned in the fourth column, and Zoom ID and password is also there below the table itself. So that was an overall idea that how your proper schedule will be. Again, I'm saying you this, all the three images will be shared to you, all of you, and it will be available at YouTube also. It will be available at all the social platforms also.
Agam, I have one doubt. That this prelim schedule, student no doubt have to write at their place.
Yes.
So no hard copies will be provided.
Definitely.
So can you please guide us how this exam papers and solutions will be available to the students?
Definitely. This exam papers and solutions will be available on our official JK Shah Classes website, that is www.jkshahclasses.com. Now, if you see the website, that is www.jkshahclasses.com, in that we have a test series tab itself. Besides our courses, we have a test series tab. If you click on that tab, below that, you will be having so many tabs. In that, the very first tab itself. So if you see below the test series tab, there will be a option, that is a highlighted option, that is November 20 into bracket for May 20 students. Below that, there is 3 tabs: CA Foundation, Inter and Final. So respective papers will be uploaded over here. Now, Chintan sir, I have a doubt for you. I mean, the doubt from all of the May 20 students, as you being in the teaching field for more than 20 years, you have guided so many students across India, and majority of them are come out with the results, that too with flying colors. I want to ask a very simple doubt, that what should be the ethical time schedule that a student should follow right from now till the date of exam, so that the time is not getting wasted, but at the same time, he is also getting energy to study?
Coming this to a very important questions, because since last 20 years I have been guiding to many students, and again a same question is always there, sir. How much should be our efforts? How many hours we should study? Should we go out to enjoy with our friends or not? Should we leave our social life or not? So there are many questions. So I would put it mathematically like this: a very simple equation. One day has 24 hours. So I would say divide that 24 hours into three stages. It is 13 hours, 8 hours, and 3 hours. 13 hours you should enjoy the life, 8 hours you sleep, and 3 hours you study. Do you think this is the way? Obviously, no. It is vice versa. 13 hours we need to study. 8 hours we need to have a proper sleep, because we are human beings, we are not machines. I've seen so many students like forgetting their mental health, physical health, and just like they are out of their comfort zone and giving everything, and at the end they mess up everything. So we need a proper rest also. So 8 hours is a very good sleeping time, and 3 hours it should be your me time. I respect a me time. Now, this is the good news for the student. A faculty guiding you a me time. You can prepare a time schedule right from the morning you wake up till the night you sleep. And that 13 hours you can divide. Otherwise, it is very difficult to cope up with the routine life. So 13 hours, 8 hours sleep, whereby I would say afternoon you should have 1 hour a power nap. A 1 hour sleep is required, because that will again rejuvenate you for the next session in the evening till late night if possible. And in the night you got to have a proper sleep of 6 to 7 hours. And with a gradual pace, we are in the month of July right now, August, September, you can gear up, whereby rather than 13, 8 and 3, you can go up to 14, 8 and 2. I repeat, 14, 8 and 2. 14 hours study, 8 hours sleep, 2 hours enjoyment. Thereafter 15, 8 and 1. See, in that case, I have kept that sleeping time constant, because we need a time to justify ourselves. Huh? So that is Aagam. I believe this is a very classic schedule. 13 hours, 8 hours and 3 hours, whereby student have a me time also.
Yes,
Like,
definitely.
it should not be something which takes him out of the box. So I believe that enjoyment plus study is a classic combination for C students.
Perfect schedule, sir. Even I was following the same kind of schedule which you have guided.
And one more thing, Agam, I would love to just justify. In all the three schedules, if you see, there are 15-20 days gap available for the student at the end. So I would say use that 15 days gap to the maximum. Optimize that use. Reason that 15 days, try to focus those areas which is the most discomfort, or target those 2 or 3 subjects. Ask yourself, if there is a choice given to you, which are the 3 subjects which you would love to get out of the box, and target those 3 subjects at the end, so that there is nothing left undone for you. So that is what 15 days
Yes.
can make a difference.
Yes. One more thing I want to add for the viewers. You was going to appear for May 20, and now the case is all together is shifted to November 20. It is very much advisable to appear for both the groups. But in case, if any students is going to appear for a single group due to any of the reasons, actually it's not advisable, but if you are going for the same, then it is advisable not to leave the study in during any of the period, because you may be thinking that both the group students are studying for 3 months, let us study only for 1.5 months and let us enjoy for the rest 1.5 months. To get apart from the study is the biggest mistake that you will be doing. So in our test schedule also, for you people also there will be 2 tests, for foundation there will be 3 tests. So you take a proper utilization of this time. You study each and every line of ICI module, JKSC notebooks. You make your own summary. You write the test paper at the end of this schedule. Definitely you will succeed. But don't lose any given point of time in between.
Agam, I'm sure if a student try to follow the schedule which is given to them, the time management which is available with them, I think rank is there on the cards. I would
Definitely.
say forget one group, you should target rank. And if every student start targeting a rank, both group is bound to be achieved at any cost.
Definitely.
So rank should be targeted, I believe.
Yes. Now, sir, just before that, you was going to announce some third surprise also. Am I right?
Yeah, many surprises today in the box. And the biggest surprise is, this time we are launching All India Mentorship Program. I repeat, All India Mentorship Program in the cities where JK Shah classes is present. Almost all cities are covered, in which we will be appointing one mentor who will take care of that branch, that specific city. And this mentorship program, minded, is specifically for intermediate and foundation students only. Reason, final people are already grown up, they don't require a mentor. In fact, they can mentor us. So I would say the foundation and intermediate students requires a mentorship. So we will be having live mentorship program with them. A mentor will be in touch with them in their city. They will be guiding them in and out. There will be like a parents available with them for a CA curriculum. They will be taking care of them with respect to the hours they are studying. They will be taking care of like what schedule they are following, the marks, the outcome, the progress. Everything will be taken care by that respective mentor. So right from Bombay to all India, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Surat, Rajkot, Bangalore, Chennai, everywhere, one mentor will be appointed, will be taking care of all CA foundation and intermediate students. Many might have already received the call. And those who have not received the call, please, for God's sake, don't panic. Our mentors will be in touch with you. You are not supposed to rush to the local center. That when our mentorship program will start, we are enough responsible for the same. So don't worry. Our mentors are all out in the market to get hold of you and to produce the best result out of you. That is one. Next is this mentorship program. Students, please understand. Already 10,000 plus students of JKSC classes are already in the bucket of May'20. So it is like manually, technically not possible for our mentors to get hold of more than those people. But there are many students who have requested, who are not a JKSC classes students. Like at the time when the mentors were calling our students, their friends, respective friends, have requested us that please we want to enroll for the same. So considering that request, understand students, we are going to enroll 100 students for CA Foundation and 100 students for CA Inter, only for those who are not a part of JKSC classes as of now. And for that, the question might be what to do. So very simple, kuch nahi karna. You are not supposed to do anything. Just DM us on Insta ID. Okay? Our Insta handle is CA Aagam Dalal and CA Chintan Devalia. Put our respective message and thereafter we will take care of everything of your part. So it's very simple, students. Grab this opportunity on first come first basis and make it a point. Only 100 students for CA Foundation and 100 students for CA Intermediate.
And guys, let me tell you one more thing and the last thing from my side. This time is not easy for anybody. For anybody, it is not a good time, and nobody has thought in the history of ICI that one attempt will get cancelled. But it is so, and we have to follow the same because the conditions are like that only. In this time, if you are feeling that we are nowhere in the world, we have lost our 6 month, then it is not just you, it is the whole world who has lost the 6 month. So believe in yourself, believe in God. Nothing will get wrong. But one more chance you have got, and that is the one positive thing that you have. If you have targeted both the groups, as sir rightly said, target for the rank. Be confident, never be overconfident, but at the same point of time, never lose your confidence. Figure it out that where you are weak. Touch each and every ICI module and JKSC textbook that you have not, touched up to now. But find out your weakest point and make it the strength of your. So guys, keep it up and do well for the examination. Follow the schedule rigorously.
And on a very lighter note, normally said history repeats. For God's sake, don't expect now. Okay, sir, November 20 will be cancelled, postponed or not. Even don't pray for it. I would say grab this opportunity. Forget November. Your attempts start from 2nd August. Think that way and start preparing for your exam. Don't pray to the God. Okay, Bhagwan, God, please cancel my exams or postpone my exam. That is not going to happen this time. Let us be very positive. Let us give our best shot this time, and we all are there with you.
So guys, at the end, we'll just say one thing. All the very best to all of you for the examination. Do well. Keep rocking. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Thank you.